Hello, this is Matina Rose with City Real Estate. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The subject for today's YouTube video is going to be, what do I have to do to prepare to buy a house? I've had a lot of first-time homebuyers lately that really don't know what it takes to buy a house, and so I'm here to inform you. The thought comes to them, hey, I'd like to buy a house, but they really don't know what that entails. So I am here to clear up some of that mystery. You need to know that the lender is going to require 2 years of job history, either the same job or at least the same industry. If you are self-employed, it's a little bit different, and I'm not going to get into that right now. The lender is going to want to see your pay stubs and your last 2 tax returns. They will also want to see your bank account information, all your loans, and your credit report, of course. Your credit score needs to be 620 or above to get the best rates and really the best loan products. I do know a lender that can do 580 and above, but your interest rate will be significantly higher, and your closing costs, I believe. How much money do you need to have on hand to be able to buy a house? Well, if you are a first-time home buyer, there are loan programs that will help you with either down payment assistance or closing cost assistance. So what does that mean? In dollars, roughly, it means you should have, I would say, at least 5% of the purchase price in cash on hand. It's a little bit extra, so that's always good. You can use the extra money, right? In dollars, that means for a $200,000 house, you should have about $10,000 ready to go cash. Now, you can use gift funds if your parents or some kind relative wants to contribute and help you pay for that, but you will need a gift letter from them. And that's all too complicated for this video, but just know, yes, you can have somebody help contribute some money to that. You just need to show the lender where it comes from. If you are a veteran, then you can use your VA loan, which is 100% financing. So the cash to close is 0. You will, of course, have to qualify with all the other requirements, but it's a fantastic program for our veterans out there. Another thing that lenders look at is your debt to income ratio, which means how much debt you pay monthly and how much your income is monthly. So car loan, credit cards, school loan, all of that goes towards your debt side. They like to see your debt to income under 50%. Actually, the lower the better. So that's one thing to think about. They will not count your rent towards your debt to income because obviously that's going to be replaced by your mortgage. So now that you know what you need to work on, really what I suggest is that you talk to a lender first, so that you know exactly where you are and where you need to be. That way you know kind of what's the most important thing to work on, whether it's reducing your debt a little bit, saving extra money, or working on your credit score, or all 3. But it's absolutely doable. I've helped many, many people buy homes, and I have fantastic lenders that I work with. So please contact me and I will guide you towards the right person to speak with. Of course, every case is different, and there are many variables that go through this. So the best idea would be to pick up the phone, give me a call, the number below, and we can have a conversation, and I can let you know, what your next steps need to be. Thank you again for watching this video, and don't forget, subscribe.